Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dyson, and today I am going to be playing with those products that Ida sent me from our last video on our box swap. So if you haven't seen that video, I will have it at an end card, like the end of this video. There'll be some cards at the end of this video, or whatever you want to call them. Not cards. What do you call them? I don't remember. Anyway, it'll be at the end of the video along with her channel like icon. You can click on it and go over there and subscribe if you haven't already. I forgot to mention that part on my last video, but yeah. So I just tried out the Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Gentle Cleaning Milk Cleanser, and it was really nice. It smelled really clean and fresh and natural. And now I'm going to put in on the Fenty Beauty Fat Water Pure Refined Toner Serum. And it just says use day plus night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers for external use only. Use as directed. So that's what I'm going to do. It says with your fingers, so I'm guessing it's thicker, and it is. I guess that's a good amount. I don't know. I don't really put on toner, so I don't even know the right way to put them on. So I'm just going to kind of rub it in like I do my lotion, and then tap in. My face is still red from getting burnt Saturday at work. I don't know what toners are really supposed to do, to be honest, but all right. I didn't get an eyeshadow primer out of this box, so I'm definitely going to have to keep in mind to request that for my next box swap. I'm going to go find something to prime my lids with real fast. Alright, so I'm going to play with this eyeshadow palette. It is the Golden 20s Linda Hallberg palette. It's a very beautiful palette. And I'm first using this shade right here, which is called Applesauce. It is just a matte brow bone color. And I need to find a brush. And I'm just going to set the brow bone in the inner corner area with this color. Oh yeah, that's just a perfect shade. Perfect. I love it. Now I'm going to go in with this color. It's called High Hat. Let me show you again. That color right there. I'm so sorry about the lighting. You can't really see, but it is like a pinkier nude type of color. And I'm going to use this as a cut crease shade. I think that's pretty. That's pretty so far. So far, so pretty. So far, so pretty. That does not make any sense. I think this eyeshadow palette will be the perfect type of palette to be using for job interviews. Oh, it's pigmented. Really pigmented. I'm going to fluff it out. I'll use the same brush. I'll just kind of color swatch it real quick. And then go around the edges. That's pretty. Alright, the last shade I am using is going to be called, I think it's pronounced Swanky. This one right here, just because we're going to a job interview, I don't want to be too out there. But it does look pretty. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger. That way it's not too precise, like, you know, like I'm trying too hard for the interview, I guess. I definitely don't want them, you know, thinking, oh wow, she looks like she's supposed to be making videos, or, you know, she thinks she looks like she should be selling makeup, not, you know, managing a fast food joint. You know? But I have seen a lot of fast food workers, like, really jazzed up, so I wouldn't be the only one. I don't know. But it's a pretty color anyways. It's like an everyday type of color, but with a little swag. What was it called? Swanky? It's like S-W-A-N-K-Y. Wanky? Swanky? I guess that's how you spell it. I mean, pronounce it. Alright, now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty, what was it called again? Water Jelly Hydrating Primer on my face. There it is. See, I probably should have squirted on my face. That's what she said. It is like water, ain't it? There we go. I'll probably apply too much now. I will. Oh no. Probably shouldn't have put it so close on the water line. Okay. Well, just a word of warning. Don't do what I did. Oh my god. It feels like there's alcohol in it. Oh my goodness. It's burning. I mean, I know normally people don't go that far up with their primer, but I normally do. I won't be with this one. But it does feel like it's like drying down now, and it's got like a sticky, I don't know if you can hear it. You probably can't hear it, but I can hear it. Interesting texture. Okay. I was just looking at this product, the Beauty Bay Disney Color Lip and Cheek Duo in the color Mad Hatter. One says face, one says cheek. So hopefully I didn't mix up the two. I'm thinking the lip would be shinier. So I don't know if I would wear that. Yeah, I'm gonna wear that with my lips today, but not right now. I'm gonna do the cheek part because I got my foundation and my concealer on already. I don't know the proper way of applying this product, but here we go. It's pretty. I don't need much right now since I'm still a little sunburnt, so. Yeah, I definitely didn't need to put it there. Oh well. Yeah, I think I put too much on. Oh well. That's that. I like it though, it's pretty. So far so good. Blends really easy into the skin. Yeah, I think I like it a lot. My nose does not look good. It's because of that dry skin. I need an exfoliator. need. So look, it doesn't normally do that with this foundation, but whatever. We're still gonna go with it. Alright, I'm gonna use this powder next. Mekka Miracle Powder Perfect Complexion. Loose powder. This is in Starlit. Oh shoot. It looks kind of dark for my type of powder. Oh no. Look how dark it is. I think it's going to be too dark. I'm not going to put it under the eyes first. I think I will do, I don't know, cheek area. Do under the eyes last. Really, I don't need much powder anyways. And it looks like it's going to be good. It doesn't look like it's going to, you know, make or break the look. Trying to see if the powder looks worse on my nose. It doesn't look worse. It looks the same. Alright. And now I'm going to use that same product from Beauty Bay, the Lip and Cheek Duo from Disney Color. From Beauty Bay, but whatever. This, I'm using the lip, which I think is the lip. Pretty color. Guess I'll put it on my finger. Just put it in that way. I'm already starting to sweat. Let's see. Pretty. Nice neutral. Well, and the last product I'm gonna use is the Kaya That Dewy Look Glow Setting Spray to set the face. I love the setting spray. Alright, that is pretty much the total look of what I could try out from our box swap. I think it turned out pretty good. These are not the lashes that I got from the box swap, because these that I got from the box swap just seem a little too much for, you know, a first interview, you know. I'll sprinkle that in after I get hired. But yeah, so yeah, I really like the products that I've got to play with so far. I played with this, the Golden 20s Linda Hallberg palette. Love the every single one of the shades that I had tried so far. If you want to see a more in-depth review on this, or me do another eyeshadow look, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I think I like the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. Just not going to put it closer to my under eyes as much next time. I'll do something separate for that. I like the cleanser that I use, the Ren Clean Skincare Everclum Gentle Cleanser. Really nice and fresh. I don't know about toners yet, but I'm glad that I got to try out this Fenty Skin Fat Water Purifying Toner Serum. So yeah, I'm sweating like crazy. I don't know why. I got another trial size bottle of the Kaya Cosmetics That Dewy Look Glow Setting Spray. This is the one I had in my collection, but I do really love that setting spray, so I'm glad to receive another one. I didn't get to try this one on, the Essence Hey LA eyeshadow palette, but if you want to see me using this palette, let me know in the comments below. I did enjoy this Beauty Bay Disney Color Lip and Cheek Duo in Mad Hatter. I have it on the cheeks and the lips. Really good. I can't wait to play with the Glam Light. I don't know how to say that. M-I-K-A-L. No. Let me go over that again. M-I-K-A-Y-L-A lashes. Can't wait to play with those. I liked the Mekka Miracle Powder Perfection Satin Skin Loose Powder. I don't really have much to say about it because it's just a loose powder, but it didn't make this spot look any worse than it did, you know, before the powder. So that's good because powder normally makes dry spots look worse. So that's good. I didn't get to try the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Creams yet. Let me know if you want me to try out either this one in the color Cinnamon Roll or the color Budapest, B-U-D-A-P-E-S-T. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to try those out. I'll review them in a little bit more detail. I really want to use this Essence Witch Side eyeshadow palette, so if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments below. And I don't know if I'm ever going to use this mirror, the Too Faced mirror, but I do really love it. It's really cute. Oh, wow. You can see my little lines here. My facial hair right here. Nevertheless, it's still a pretty look. Pretty. And then the Essence My Power is Water eyeshadow palette. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see me use that. But yeah, please leave me any comments down below. Yeah, I'll see you next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe both to me and Ida. And I will see you buddies on my next video.